Yeah, today is Sunday, April 2nd. Wife says it's Palm Sunday. This is the seat I took off of my 2001 Softail. That's a complete custom job. This is the seat I put on the 2001 Softail. It's a Saddleman brand seat, and I'm not lying, it took 8 months for it to get here, but it finally came in. Install was fairly simple. I had to bend the front latch tang up there by the gas tank just a little bit to get it to line up properly. The rest of the fitment was pretty good. This one, the retainer for the backrest slides into some springed locking tangs within the depth of the seat and pulls right back out with some effort. It doesn't pull out easily. The pitch of the backrest is adjustable forward to rear. It's got a little carry-all behind the backrest for pack cigarettes, sunglasses, proof of insurance, little stuff like that. But this one I've got the pack on the rear luggage rack. Seat was expensive, well over $800, and it's supposed to have a high-end cushion system for old people who are lacking meat in their butt cheeks. Put me in that list. Overall quality, I put it at about a 9.9 out of 10. It's pretty damn nice. Now, like I said, the old seat, it's in the box now, it was a Harley branded seat, and it never did fit correctly. I think when they put this bike together, they changed seats and either chose incorrectly from the Harley dealership, or it's a swap meet seat they got cheap. That'd be my best guess. Who knows? Don't care. I've got a proper fitting seat now. The old one rocked left to right a lot. Backrest was completely worn out, would not hold position. You'd shake on it, looked like it was fixing to fall off. Hence the seat replacement. So this one's done. And I got a referral for a man that's sure enough Harley carburetor man. I'll give him a call next week and tell him what's going on with this one. It keeps fouling out the plugs. It's in the carburetor. I've done area adjustment per recommendations on YouTube and everything else, and I can't get it set right. And I don't understand this carburetor. It doesn't look like any motorcycle carburetor I've ever seen before either. And but yeah, so it's coming along. Like I said yesterday, I ordered a seat for my 2003 Dyna Lowrider. Same thing with the backrest. Older you get, the better those backrests feel. And this one has the standard stock seat. And I get on it pretty good. It feels like I'm trying to get blown out of the seat. It's a wedge design, and there's really nothing to wedge you into the seat. And it'll try to push you up that little wedge there, and kind of feel a little uncomfortable with me. These seats will go in the storage container. God knows why, but you know how I am about throwing stuff away. So I'll seal it up, and that's where that'll be for now until perpetuity. So nice seat. I'm happy. The damn yellow pollen down here is bad this year, getting all over everything. Wife's been dusting them, and but the stuff is thick and sticky too, a little bit sticky. But she's doing a good job. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.